Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about some really interesting topic for those who love to make video on your mobile like aesthetic video. In this video I'm gonna show you 5 apps that will help you to create normal video to aesthetic video in just few clicks. And these all apps are free to download and download link will be available in my description. If you're new to my channel then please like this video and subscribe my channel. Today's like aim is 20. Please make this. It's inspired me to make video for you guys. So let's start the video. Number 5 is Ifico. Ifico is fantastic video photo editor and free app for adding cool effect and aesthetic filter to your videos. With Ifico you can access the 90s glows and glitters, sparkle stars, glitch effect and IG style filters easily. There is a beside 400 plus more popular effect and filters for you. It will be the best editor you can ever find. And with this app you can create easy aesthetic videos for your Instagram or your Facebook page. Number 4 is Glitchfest. Glitchfest is the best glitch video effect editor with bundle of amazing VHS glitch effects and vaporwave effects and 90s vintage filters. With Glitchcam you can turn your video into any aesthetic masterpiece. Do not forget to check other stunning features such as retro, vintage, 90s, VHS effects, music, animated glitch and text and vapor stickers and powerful editing tools also, and all of which will add spark to your artwork and make your video master aesthetic video, and it is really good app for creating aesthetic. Number 3 is Filto. Filto is the best photo and video editor with aesthetic sparkling filter and VHS effect which update weekly. The coolest video and photo editor with multi-stylish content for creator. It is the easiest to use on Instagram in Filto. There is a large number of vintage filter, aesthetic effect and other advanced function. You can trim your video as you need your definition for your creativity. By the way, you can just adjust your ratio of your work to match all the social media like Instagram, TikTok and other social media. Can't wait to see your post so attractive, nervous like. And Filto is the one of the goodest video creator on available right now, and it's have lots of filter that no web does. Now coming to number 2 is Precurl. Precurl is photo and video editor with most of aesthetic preset, and it's offer hand-picked selection of filters, VHS, disco, retro and glitch effect, instant and many more. Make your photos or videos stand out. Precurl is good for editing your photo into aesthetic, and it does have really lots of filter for your photos, and it is really good for photo aesthetic editor. And you can also edit video on this, but I prefer edit photo on Precurl if you're looking for photo editor, photo aesthetic editor. Now coming to number 1 is Indie Aesthetic 3D Video Effect Editor for TikTok. Indie is one of the best aesthetic video editors so far, and it is really good video editor for TikTok also. Indie is the aesthetic video and photo editor. You can access easily 90s glitters, sparkle and blending effects and VHS effects. Also there is a Instagram style indie kit filters. Want to post your receive more like, download Indie will get best editing filter experience and edit your unique Precurl video diesel story with Indie right now. Indie is the best video editor so far. You can add music, you can add lots of filter, you can use their camera to create aesthetic footage, and this is best editor app so far.